afternoon, guys. It's your mate Aries Tao. So today, rather than doing studio lighting, we want to do something fun. We are actually on the way, driving from Sydney to Canberra. I am doing commercial food photography today. We have a real client. They have a newly established Japanese restaurant based in Canberra, in Australia. That's really cool. I'm excited. So I bring along two AD400 with me with S30, the Aries accessory to articulate, control where the light falls. I showed you. I think it's going to be very helpful to lead small subjects, especially things like sushi. Right? I'm excited, and let's see what we can come up with. Alright, it's 3 light setup. The AD400Pro on the left provides separation light. The AD400Pro on the right is the main light, which illuminates the front side of the sushi, which you can see in this image. The problem is there are shadow areas, especially those two sushis in the center. That's why I'm adding the third light as the S30 with Aries to focus on very, very tiny areas. So comparing with sushi, the both softboxes are such a huge light sources, right? The left with grid is the separation light to help the sushi separate from the background. The light on the right mimics a large window to lit up the front of the sushi. The problem was the shadow caused by the other sushis. I wouldn't be able to add a third flash because if I do that, that will destroy the separation lights from the left. So I have to have a relevantly small light source to illuminate those two shadow areas, especially on the left with the salmon. And you guys can see how articulate the S30 is to illuminate the salmon without affecting the rice. And now let's have another case study of the sushi without S30. You see the texture on the top looks beautiful, but the rice lacks of the extra sheen, right? We need the rice to look yummy and fresh. So that's where the S30 comes in to help. I just point the S30 towards the rice area without affecting the top cover. Now I can use the Aries to adjust, how focused the light beam needs to be. In this case, since we did the previous sushi, which is perfect, right? Now we just take the shot. You see that comparing with previous image, the rice looks so yummy with extra sheen. That's where the S30 is. It's so subtle on the image. It's not even there if I don't tell you, but it makes a huge difference to make the food especially the rice area pops and looks fresh and have this extra sheen. It works well with this beef, tataki. It gives this extra kiss to the area which I want our viewer to focus on, which will be the front on the left. We have about 80 dishes to shoot on the day, of course. Once the light is set up and all fall in right places, we just need to carry on from there. Even the sushi size is a bit different, we can always adjust our S30 to fine-tune the image. Now we are shooting the signature dish, which is the blue Cavalier sushi. We want to take a shoot with the chopstick in it. If you guys pay attention, you see how the S30 with Aries falls. It only hits the sushi of the bottom bit without affecting the hands and chopsticks, right? Which is awesome. I can simply move the lights or adjust the size of the iris to fine-tune where the light falls. So the sushi rice is pre-marinated by the vinegar. That's why it appears a bit yellowish on the image, which is absolutely the right color it should be. And here is the close-up without the chopstick for the menu. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is your mate Aries Tao. I will see you until next time.